guys, and welcome to the Lifestyle and Diary Model. My name is IreneJay, and today I'm going to be doing two different things. I'm going to be laying my frontal. I'm going to show you how to lay a frontal wig, and I'm also going to do a little bit of story time to let you know how I got scammed and how to actually avoid these scammers online. Like, we're all coming out of the pandemic slowly, and people want to start spending money on going out, making nice hairs, weddings around the corner, and so many events, yeah? But while we are doing that and we're trying to keep safe, we also need to know how to spot these scammers, because guys, these people are out to chop your money. Like, they chop mine. So if this looks like something you're interested in, then definitely keep watching. Alright, so the very first thing that you need to know when you want to install your wig is to obviously have a wig cap that is your skin color. So I'm dark skinned, and definitely that's why my wig cap is this color, right? Now that I've secured that tightly on my head, the thing I want to do is get the wig that I'm going to be wearing. And I got this wig from Niger Beauty Hair, guys. Right here, and it's already been blow dry, but I'm going to straighten it out. Hair has been pre-plucked by Esther Hair. If you're following me on IG, you'd have seen some of the hairs that I've posted of them. Esther Hair, they're really good, guys. I love her hair. She's amazing. She sells the best hair. But this is from Niger Beauty Hair. I'm going to be using powder to actually make the back of the hair darker, like to my actual skin color. Yeah, like this. Simply apply powder all over the frontal so that it becomes like my skin color. I said skincare. Hey guys, I'm so used to skincare. Okay, so while I'm installing this thing, I said I was going to do story time, guys. So I wanted to tell you about how I got scammed. So this was, when was this? I think this was back in, I think I was in 300 level or 300 level, 400 level, I can't remember. I should know that I was in school, uni, and I think I was in 300 or 400 level, like I said. And back then everybody wants to start to slay their hair rights. They want to get the nicest weaves and all. Mind you, I wasn't so bothered about getting the latest Brazilian hair, because that time it was Brazilian hair ready. I'm sure you know if you are a hair person. So there was a lot of things raining then. So I wanted to get this really nice hair that I saw online. So this is what it looks like when I finish powdering it on the inside, so that it looks like my shade, my scalp shade. This is what it looks like, right? And I'm just going to go ahead to wearing it like that. And as you can see, it's already my skin color, right? And I'm not doing any of those concealer stuff because I want to really natural and all. Next, I'm going to use the hot comb to separate the hair so that I can understand where I want to lay, right? And take it back like this. So I actually forgot to get my clips, but I'm going to use this to clip like that. So now that we have this, I'm going to take the hair a little bit back, and I'm just going to use my got2b glue, right? So like I was saying, I was telling you guys about how I got scammed. I'll never forget that, sorry. So I went to my friend. I was just lying down my bed, you guys. I was lying down my bed. Nobody sent me message. Then I was scrolling through my Instagram, and I saw this page where that they were selling. It wasn't even sales. Okay, it was sales. Was it sales? Yeah, she was doing sales. She wasn't doing sales. She just had really nice prices, and I was like, what? how have I never come across a page like this? All the hairs I've been seeing, you know, the likes of BB hairs, CM heels, and all of that, like really hard expensive hairs. You've seen hair of 150k and above, and I was in uni, anybody got 150k to spend on hair? So, and I wanted like to look good, of course. Like, okay, so, you know, double drawn hairs. I saw this hair that they were right, it's curly, it's wavy, it's this, it's that, and I was like, I have to get this one. And I saw the prices. Guess how much you were selling them, guys? 20k. I was seeing like 18 inches of hair. 18 inches like up to here. 18 inches of double drawn hair for 50. I saw one 17k. I saw one 20k. So I said, okay, let me take the 20k one. So this time I'm just using to get my hair to dry. My hair has dried a little bit, and I'm just going to bring the frontal on it like that, like this. And like this plate on top of it, and this one out. I use this comb to press it down neatly like this, press down the edges. And like I said before, this hair has already been pre-plucked, so if your hair doesn't look like this, you need to get it pre-plucked, right? And my girl Esther hair, she does that. So now I'm going to use the God to Bleed to actually lay the edges. As I was saying, I decided to now take my shopping to another level. Irene, oh my god, I can't even cry or laugh at myself right now. So I decided to place the order. I just texted the woman that, oh, excuse me, this was like around like to 10, oh. And normal business hours, everybody knows that normal business hours closes by what time? Like 9 p.m. I texted the woman that, please, I want to place an order for this hair, because she was saying that by tomorrow the hair might not be there again. So I was like, hey, don't let me miss this thing, don't let me miss it though. And I called her and I sent her a DM. She replied immediately, like almost immediately. She was like, that what can I do for you? I was like, I want to get this hair, is this still available? She was like, yes, it's available. So I said, okay, that hold on. And I'll call my friend, one of my friends, what's her name? Vivian. And I'll call Vivian. I was like, Vivian, oh, these people are doing sales, oh, do you want to buy hair? And it's a very good price. By tomorrow it might not be there again. She was like, how much? I told her it was 20k. She was like, Irene, are you sure? I said, yes, I'm chatting with the woman right now. She said, yeah. I said, okay. She said, okay, no problem, let's buy. So the man was like, we had to pay before delivery. So normal now, most this thing, they say you pay before delivery. So I didn't find that strange at all. So I was like, okay, sure, why not? That when will we get it? She said that if I pay now, that was 10 p.m, that I could possibly get it by tomorrow. So I said, okay, can we do pickup? She said, no pickup. I said, can we do payment on delivery? She said, no. So I said, okay, well, that's not so strange from all these online vendors. You get, like, that's kind of like what they do. So I said, okay, no problem. And we made payments. Guys, I transferred 20k to this woman because Vivian transferred 20k to her too. So that's making 40k, right? 40k that we transferred to this woman. Then the next day, I started to DM her that, when am I going to get the hair? Because she told me by 10 a.m. the next day. And she was not replying me. I was like, what is going on? She was reading me, she was not replying. I was like, okay, Irene, calm down. Maybe she's busy, she's attending to other orders. I was seeing this woman, she was online, she was still posting, she was not replying me. Okay, so I decided to call the number that was there on the page, because they have contacts, the business page now. And I called the number and she said, oh yes, that your delivery will be there shortly, that we should just hold on, blah blah blah. I said, okay, no problem, that because I paid for the two of us together. Was there for 12? I can't remember, but I should know that two of us were trying to talk to her simultaneously. She wasn't responding, guys. Then later she said, okay, she just said I would get the hair by 12. Sorry for the delay. 12 o'clock, we were waiting, we not get the hair. Hey God, my body was already becoming hot. my blood was getting hot. So I said, you know what, ma, let us come and pick the hair up. She said, okay, no problem, that if we want to. She sent us the address. This is the address of the place. Come and get your hair. This place was at Lagos Island. Me and Vivian, we really don't know that place, so we were like, okay, no problem. We'll go there, we'll take an Uber there, but we'll take a bus there and find our way there. That's how we went there, guys. Getting there, we started walking around that whole place looking for that exact street. Okay, hold on first. So we entered the street into Google Map now. We started looking for this street. We walked from the beginning to the end, guys. There was that number 8 was not just there on that street. We started asking people that were looking for number 8 or this particular shop. We even showed them the picture of the shop on their what's it called, on their IG. They were like, people were saying that there's nothing like this. That is it one shop that are selling hair like this? We said yes, that's the shop. They were like, there's no, that people have come here asking for that exact same shop, and nobody has heard of that shop before. That there's no place like that. So we're like, no, you're joking with us. There's a shop, they are selling this hair. We know, we've been talking to the person on the phone. They said, okay, continue looking for the place. So we entered the address into Uber, we entered into Bolt, we entered into Google Maps, into Maps on iPhone, everything we tried. That number 8 was not on the street. The street started from number 1 to 7, skipped 8, moved to 9, and continued. We're like, hey, my body was already when I was dancing on the road. I said, hey, 20k. Yeah, you guys, I was in year 3 or year 4 that time. Please, 20k was a lot of money to me. I was like, oh my god, I saved up for this money. I saved up. Maybe I don't want to believe that we actually have lost this money. So we kept walking. We walked back and forth that street. Like, I can't even count how many times. After eventually you realize that this shop does not actually exist, guys. Then we started calling the woman. We're calling. She had blocked us by that time. We tried to use another number to call. She blocked the other number, which found like was us. You guys, that was how our 20k went. Then we now went on Instagram. We started bombarding her with messages. We blasted her. You useless woman. You chopped our money. As you have taken out of our money that you know so, you will never reap this thing. We just started insulting the woman. She did not even reply any of us. At some point, she blocked us. You could not now see the page again on IG. That was how come we knew we were blocked. Then, you will not believe what happened next. We checked her page on somebody else's phone and saw the page, so we knew that we were blocked. We were like, what the hell? We started sending messages through other people's DMs. Anybody's DM that we send message to, she will block. Guys, I couldn't cry because I was the one that actually told my friend to come and buy. And I get that, like, you know, when your friend convinces you that this hair is really nice and all, and then you end up paying for it, you will not say that you are a mumu. You will say your friend is a mumu because your friend convinced you. Do you understand? So that was how I was feeling. I was feeling like I am the cause of her problems. Guys, that was like, it was very painful for me. So now let me tell you how to actually spot scammers, hair vendors that are scammers online. The very first thing is there is no face. There is no like person to their page. Like, you can't say, when you check their page, you just be seeing mannequins or hair in bundles or something. You can't actually see a person that you can say, oh, this particular face, so that you can, if at all you wanted to actually put that face into like a face recognition app or something, there is no face. That's the first step. The second thing that you need to look out for is the address. We saw the address written on their page, but we didn't check it. That was like our biggest mistake. We didn't check to make sure that that address was correct, or like it's a place. So when you see an address there, check it. Then when you don't see an address, that could be a red flag. But some people have online stores, so that is very dicey. So, like I was saying, you can see this place has already melted in, so it already looks natural. So I'm just using the mousse to make it even more natural because it defines the strands for me. And the third way to actually spot someone that is a scam online is their likes. You see somebody's page, the person has like, let me say 18k followers as a business page here, and then you see likes, you see 20, you see 2, some you see 5, you see 10. Like, that's an actual red flag, and I don't even know why I didn't even see that, to be honest, because it was right there. It was when I got scammed that I now later went back to check it. It was right there. These people just had on some posts they had 20 likes, on some posts they'll have maybe 10, and their followers were like a lot. And I was like, are you trying to tell me that nobody is liking this fine hair that I'm seeing on their page or what? So yes guys, that's another way to know. The fourth one is reviews. There are no reviews on their page. I don't know how I didn't see that. Always check for reviews, check for customers' patronage reviews. See people saying that, and check the people that are like writing the reviews. You see, oh okay, at so and so person said so, and they'll screenshot the chat and post it. I didn't see that. I don't know. I know I should have, but I didn't see it. And those are the things that you should look out for, because there is no business person that won't want to post their customers' patronage or their reviews, right? So that is something that you should definitely check out. The reviews. This one is like so glaring, so obvious. So it's, in fact, it's right there in our faces, but I don't know how I didn't even check it. It's the comments. You know when you go to Blog Nigeria and you want to see, and they post something and you want to see what people are saying about it, what do? You go straight to the comments. When you see anything scandalous or interesting, or what do? You go straight to the comments. So I don't know why I didn't check their comments, but they have 0 comments on their posts, on their page, like 0. And I was like, how did I not see that? Nobody's commenting, or they are deleting the comments, because I eventually went to start commenting on their page like people are a scam and everything, and as I was commenting they were deleting it immediately. They will post some, even if the owner of the page doesn't post herself or himself, somebody has bought from them, like the person would have sent them pictures. Those things should be on the page. And if you're a business owner and you don't have all those things on your page, then I don't know what you're doing, because me, I will not patronize you. If you don't have all those things on your page, I can't. I will say that you are a scam. So if you don't have it, go and start putting it right now, because I don't know what you're doing. This, guys, is how to actually get your frontal natural looking. Okay. You see? I hope you guys have been able to understand how to spot online vendors that are scammers, because I definitely don't want to ever make that mistake again, and I just want to make sure that nobody makes that mistake, because scammers, they're really annoying. You just want to bite them. You just want to. And the worst part is that when they scam you of the money, there's nothing you can do about it. Your money has gone. I also hope you've been able to learn how to like install your frontal. It's very easy, especially when your hair is pre-plucked. You can see it's just very easy. There's no too much technicality to it. Okay, this is the finished product of my hair, as you can see. Who likes? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you're new here, definitely do subscribe and like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and spread the video, share it to other people. My name is IreneJay, and this is the Lifestyle and Diary of a Model. Bye.